Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my new wash day routine with my new short hair, and this is going to be one of my quickest tutorials ever because it's just that simple. It's been around 4 days since I've last washed my hair and I am looking busted. So I'm taking my favorite co-wash, which is Diva Curl No Poo Decadence, to cleanse my hair today, but once a month or as needed, I like to use Diva Curl Low Poo to prevent any product buildup which can occur after co-washing too often. So I just finger detangle the no poo throughout my hair and also using the pads of my fingers to get to my scalp. Next, I'm using Diva Curl One Condition Decadence as my conditioner, which is one of my favorite conditioners ever. And I'm just raking that very generously throughout my hair, being sure to keep my hair detangled as I go. And look at my teeny weeny ponytail, y'all. It's all good though. And when my hair is rinsed, it's thoroughly hydrated and well detangled, which is why I swear by Diva Curl Decadence. I love it. To begin styling, I'm just parting my hair in a deep side part. Then I'm going to use Diva Curl Decadence leave-in, which is a good leave-in, but it's not my favorite. But to keep things consistent, I'm using it because it pairs well with the next product that I'm going to be using. I'm applying the leave-in in sections to ensure an even application, and then I'm clipping each section out of the way. Next, I'm using Diva Curl Archangel Gel, which is a firm holding gel that I love, especially now that I have shorter hair. And I'm just quickly raking that through the shorter section of my hair, just being sure that my curls feel nice and smooth and detangled throughout the process. I work in rather larger sections now that my hair is short, and I don't take a lot of time on each section, so I love that because I can move much quicker than I would if my hair was longer. So yes, I'm using the raking method, which is a really quick method, and I just continue to rake each section with a generous amount of gel. I love this gel because my hair doesn't feel dry or crunchy after it dries. When I'm done defining my curls, I just go back to my edges and I like to dampen it with some water and use Eco Style gel to be really extra with my edges, especially since my hair is short. I just jazz it up now. I really just go all out of my way to jazz up my edges, and I love it. I will never be too old for busy baby hairs, y'all. So after my edges are nice and laid, I like to use these metal clips to keep my hair from falling too much in my face. And then I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer for about an hour or maybe even less. And after about 45 minutes to an hour, it just depends. It doesn't take long these days. My hair is nice and defined, and I use a little bit of olive oil to seal my hair and to fluff it up just a little bit. I barely touch my hair on first day hair. I pull and tug on a few little curls in the front and I am good to go. And this is how my hair looks when I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I told y'all it was going to be one of my quickest tutorials ever. What, it was like 4 minutes or something like that. It is just easy breezy these days with short natural hair, and I'm loving every bit of it. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more because I have so much to come. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the bell so that you can get notifications every time I upload. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.